Lesson 1-7, Ordered Pairs, Integration Geometry. In this lesson, you learn to use ordered pairs to locate points, to organize data, and to explore how certain quantities and expressions are related to each other. You all know this game, Battleship. Okay? You may have played a game in which players locate their battleships on grids like the one shown here. One player tries to locate and sink the other player's battleships by calling out a letter number combination like F2. If a ship is located at this point, the player says hit. If not, the player says miss. The object of the game is to sink all of your opponent's ships before he or she sinks yours. So F2 is a hit because if you notice, okay, if you haven't played this game, this is F right here, and it intersects with the number 2, and that's why it's called a hit. Now, if you all guess correctly where the ships are, then and you miss all and you sink all the ships, and then you win the game. Okay, I8 is a miss because this is I right here, and 8 on top. So that is a miss. Okay, and let's find out how it relates to what we are trying to learn. So in math, we can locate a point by using what we call a coordinate system. The coordinate system is formed by the intersection of two number lines that meet at their 0 points. This point is called the origin. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis, and the vertical number line is called the y-axis. So instead of letters and numbers, okay, in a coordinate system, they are both numbers, two number lines that intersect each other, such as the one that as you see back here. So this is your vertical axis, and that's why it's called the y-axis. This is your horizontal axis, and this is called your x-axis. Okay, and the origin is right there, and the coordinates of the origin would be 0, 0. That's a coordinate of your origin. Okay, you can graph any point on the coordinate system by using an ordered pair, okay, of numbers. And if you look at this carefully right here, this is an ordered pair right here. There, that red dot is an ordered pair. Okay, why is it called an ordered pair? That ordered pair is named as 6, 5. Okay, where the first number in the ordered pair is called your x-coordinate. So your x-coordinate is the 6, okay, because that is the first pair. And the second one is called your y-coordinate. Why is it called the y-coordinate? Okay, because that, wait, let me find that one. Where is that one? Y-coordinate, there you go. Okay, is your 5. That is your y-coordinate. So your x-coordinate is 6, your y-coordinate is 5. The coordinates are the directions to find that point. Okay, it's called an ordered pair because x always go before y, not the other way around. So you read the x first and then the y first. That's why it's called an ordered pair. Okay? Example 1, there we go. Okay, in example 1, graph each ordered pair, 5, 3. Okay. First and foremost, you need to begin at the origin. Coordinates, the x-coordinate is 5. This tells you to go 5 units to the right of the origin. So, this tells you to go 5 units to the right of the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right of the origin. Okay. And then the y-coordinate is 3. This tells you to go up 3 units. So we go up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this will be our coordinate right there. And this is named as 5, 3. Okay. So basically, you draw a dot. Now we have graphed 5, 3. And letter B, 6, 0. Okay, let's take this, erase this. And let's do 6, 3, 0. Let's just leave 5, 3 there. And let's do letter B, 6, 0. Okay, 6, 0 tells you to begin at the, again, always begin at the origin. That's why it's called the origin. The x-coordinate is 6, so go 6 unit to the right of the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then the y-coordinate is 0, so you will not go up to the place. You will not go up to place the dot. So your coordinate would be here, and that would be 6, 0. Okay. Next example. Sometimes points are named by using letters. The symbols B, 3, 4 means point B has an x-coordinate of 3 and a y-coordinate of 4. The coordinate plane allows you to locate points. Okay, so here we want to name the ordered pair for each point. Letter C, for example. And in order to find the coordinate of letter C, we start from the origin. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, go x first, and then go use your y-axis. 1, 2. So that's 2, 2. So our ordered pair for C would be 2, 2. Okay, go to the right of the x-axis, find the x-coordinate, point C, which is 2. Go up along the y-axis to find the y-coordinate, and that's exactly what we just did. Next one, D. Okay, again, start from the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's underneath the D, point D, and then go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be 7. Whoopsie. 7, 4. Okay, so this is 7. Whoa. Next one right here, and then that. Okay, and this would be 7, 4. Okay, so ordered pair of point D would be 7, 4. Okay, another concept. Ordered pairs can also be used to show the value of how the value substituted for a variable is related to the value of the expression containing the variable. So this example is probably the most important of all the examples, because this is not the review. Examples 1 and 2 are review from previous classes. This one is not. Let's take a look at example 3. At a Movie Madness video store, newly released videos rent for $2 a day. The store paid $18. Okay, $18 for a copy of a popular video. If X represents the number of times the video is rented in the first month, the expression 2x minus 18, okay, gives the amount of money the store will make on this video. Why is it 2x minus 18? Let's analyze the problem. At a Movie Madness video store, newly released videos rent for $2 a day. Okay, the store paid $18 for a copy of the popular video. So this is a constant. This does not change. What changes? The number of days. If X represents the number of times the video is rented for the first month, so that will be your X. Okay, the expression 2x minus 18 gives the amount of money the store will make on this video. We subtract 18 because 18 is the cost, and to be able to find profit, you need to subtract the cost. Okay, so make a list of ordered pairs in which the x-coordinate represents the number of rentals in the first month, and the y-coordinate represents the money made for 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30 rentals. So if you notice, these are the following values of x now. That would be your x. Okay, and then letter B, we simply graph the ordered pairs. So first thing we need to do is we need to evaluate 2x minus 18. Okay, meaning that we need to substitute x with 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. The table of values will show us how that's done. So you have your table of values. Okay, Look carefully. If we have 10 rentals, we substitute the value of x for 10. We have now 2 times 10 minus 18. The money made will be $2. So that means our ordered pair would be 10 and 2. Okay? If we have 15 rentals, substitute 15 for x. We have 2 times 15 minus x. The money made would be 12 because 2 times 15 is 30 minus 18 is 12. And our ordered pair would be, remember, it's an x and y, 15 and 12. For 20 rentals, substituted to our expression, we end up with the money of $22. Ordered pair will be 20 and 22. If it's $25, again substituted for x, end up with $32 as the money made. Ordered pair will be 25 and 32. $30, substitute the value for x, money made will be 42, ordered pair will be 30 and 42. And if you notice, okay, you can interpret these ordered pairs. For example, when I look at 20 and 22, I can readily say that for every 20 rentals that the video store makes, it also for every 20 rentals, the video store makes $22 profit. For every 30 rentals that the video store makes, it makes $42 profit. Okay, and if you graph this using x and y axis or the coordinate system, this is what you get. Okay, and that's how you graph the ordered pairs. Alrighty then, lesson's done. On Google Forms, type a summary of what you've learned by responding to the objective of the lesson and type a question you might want to ask in class. Thank you.